So I suppose I had to start the front end at some time. I've been putting it off because I knew I was going to be finding stuff like that in there. And stuff like that. But then I started finding stuff like this. Wondy Dundee. So then we had to end up with stuff like this. And then something like this. I must admit that welding is not perfect, but it looks like I paid someone to do it rather than me doing it. Haha, eat your heart out, Trevor Hatton. Anyway, look at that bad boy. Don't know if I got the right white balance on this camera. So, kind of rebuilding the inside. Oh, the focus on this thing, it just does my bloody head in. If anybody would like to send me a camera, haha. So yeah, there you go. And then I'm going to have to rebuild the top of the wing, which has already been rebuilt once. Not quite sure what they did on this side, because most of those dents are coming outwards. I don't even know how to get me a hammer in there to make them come out, because the recess is there. Anyway, this will probably keep me busy for at least a week. So, see you later.